When I found out about the challenge that we applied for, Better Lives Closer to Home, there was less than a month between the launch of the challenge and when the application needed to be in, so that was quite new to me, and is the kind of pace that small businesses work at. I think the meet and greet was within another week, and then a decision made by the end of that week, so the pace of application was just phenomenal.
I would highly recommend applying for funding from SBRI. What it's done for our business is that it's let us take this product, this idea that we had, and turned it into a viable product and a reality. It's also meant that we've been able to kind of pursue our own project that we developed in line with our environmental principles, which has been very exciting for us. And it's also meant that we've been able to do this with funding from outside, so it's not a massive risk to our own business. And the support we've had from SBRI from the very beginning, all throughout the project, has also been fantastic. They've been very attentive, very supportive, and I'd recommend it to anybody.
I can't really overemphasise how useful it's been and how supportive the whole process has been. It's very practical support. I've had business support before. I've been involved over the years in a number of businesses, and there are various ways in which businesses can receive support, and this, over and above anything else, has been the most supportive process that I've been involved in.
Well, I think having a centre of excellence for small businesses for research, development and innovation is hugely helpful. If you look at the track record of what it's already done in terms of delivering practical, innovative answers and solutions that help public services and the wider economy. And we see a key role for that in the future, because innovation has an end and a means in itself. We want more knowledge to be created here in Wales, but crucially to see that then applied. Because I want more small businesses to grow here in Wales. I want small businesses that already exist to grow, to expand, and to have an even better future.
It provides a very nice kind of knowledge transfer support function for public sector organisations that are looking to use challenge-led procurement to innovate. And often public sector organisations are uncomfortable to innovate with private sector as a partner, so this provides a really good mechanism for them to do that.